All about blueberries, the tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Introduction to blueberries. Blueberries may be small, but they pack a big punch when it comes to flavor and health benefits. These little blue gems are known for their sweet and slightly tart taste, making them a perfect snack, addition to desserts, and even savory dishes. Did you know that blueberries are often referred to as a superfood because of their impressive health benefits? A scientific name, Vaccinium corymbosum. Family, Ericaceae. A native to North America, though they are also grown in Europe and other temperate regions. Grown in USA, Canada, Poland, and other temperate climates. Types of blueberries. There are different types of blueberries, but here are some popular varieties. 1. Highbush blueberries, the most common variety, grown commercially. 2. Lowbush blueberries, smaller, wild blueberries with a stronger flavor. 3. Half-high blueberries, a mix of highbush and lowbush, perfect for colder climates. 4. Rabbit-eye blueberries, a variety known for its larger fruit size. Nutritional value of blueberries per 100 gram. Calories, 57 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 14.5 gram. Natural energy. Fiber, 2.4 gram, supports digestion. Vitamin C, 9.7 milligram, immunity booster. Vitamin K, 19.3 microgram, helps with blood clotting. Potassium, 77 milligram, supports heart health. Water content, 84%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, helps protect cells from damage. Supports heart health, rich in fiber and potassium, reduces blood pressure. Improves memory. Antioxidants help boost brain health. Boosts immunity, rich in vitamin C to strengthen the immune system. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in blueberries help slow down aging. Good for digestion. High in fiber for a healthy gut. Fun facts about blueberries. 1. Blueberries are often called nature's candy because of their natural sweetness. 2. The blue color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants. 3. Blueberries are the only fruit that are naturally blue. 4. Wild blueberries are smaller, but they are higher in antioxidants than cultivated varieties. 5. The largest blueberry ever picked weighed 1.12 ounces, 32 grams. How blueberries grow. Blueberry plants prefer acidic soil and cool climates. They produce small white flowers that turn into tiny green berries. After 1 to 2 months, the berries ripen from green to blue. Blueberries thrive in well-drained soil and require a lot of sunlight for maximum sweetness. Uses of blueberries. Eaten fresh. Enjoy them as a snack or toss them into your favorite yogurt. Blueberry smoothies, a tasty and healthy drink. Blueberry desserts, cakes, muffins, and pies. Blueberry jam, a sweet spread for toast or pancakes. In salads, add them to green salads for a burst of color and flavor. Conclusion. Blueberries are not only delicious but also loaded with health benefits. So next time you snack on some sweet blueberries, remember all the goodness packed inside these tiny fruits.